Think your English is great? Let's find out. Answer these 5 simple questions to see your English level. Are you ready? Hi everyone. Welcome to this quick English test video. I'll ask you 5 questions, and each one will help you identify how good your English skills are. Write down your answers and see your score at the end. Question 1. What is the correct plural of child? A. Childs. B. Children. C. Childs. The correct answer is B. Children. Question 2. Choose the correct sentence. A. She have gone to school. B. She has gone to school. C. She is gone to school. The correct answer is B. She has gone to school. Question 3. What's the past tense of the verb eat? A. Eats. B. Ate. C. Eaten. The correct answer is B. Ate. Question 4. Which word means very big? A. Huge. B. Small. C. Tiny. The correct answer is A. Huge. Question 5. Which preposition fits this sentence? The book is dash the table. A. On. B. In. C. At. The correct answer is A. On. How many did you get right? If you got 5 by 5, your English is advanced. 3 by 4, you're intermediate. Keep practicing. 0 by 2, beginner. Don't worry, you'll get better with practice. Share your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun English tests and tips. See you next time.